Module 4, Lesson 4. Wizard Step 4, Schedule. 3 minutes. You've named the campaign, pick the audience, pick the content. Step 4 decides when it goes out. Send timing is the difference between a campaign that lands at the top of inboxes versus one that gets buried. 3 options. Send now. The campaign goes out as soon as you finish Step 5. Used for transactional campaigns or anything time sensitive. Schedule a date and time. The campaign queues for a specific moment. Used for most planned campaigns. Save as draft. The campaign doesn't go out. It stays in your campaigns list as a draft. Used when the campaign is ready, but timing isn't decided. Pick one. For this lesson, pick schedule. The date and time picker opens. Pick the date, pick the hour and minute. The picker uses the workspace's default time zone set in settings. The time you pick is the moment subscribers see the email arrive in their inbox, not the moment Simple Marketing starts sending. Most subscribers see it within 30 seconds of your scheduled time. If your audience spans time zones, the scheduled time applies to your time zone. Each subscriber receives at the same UTC moment, which translates to different local times for them. Or, below the date picker, the Optimize Send Time toggle. When on, Simple Marketing analyzes when each subscriber has historically opened email and shifts the send within a 4-hour window to land in their inbox at their typical open time. A subscriber who opens at 9 a.m. their time gets your campaign at 9 a.m. their time. A subscriber who reads at 8 p.m. gets it at 8 p.m. This is one of the highest leverage levers in marketing automation. Enable it for any non-time sensitive campaign. For most campaigns, the scheduled time in your zone is fine. For announcements pinned to a specific local moment, time zone math matters. Black Friday email at 9 a.m. Eastern hits 6 a.m. Pacific. If your Pacific subscribers are still asleep, the campaign suffers. For these cases, either schedule multiple campaigns at different times or use send time optimization to let Simple Marketing handle the math automatically. When the schedule is set, click Next. Step 5 is the Review and Create page. Last chance to verify everything before the campaign is saved as a draft. Next lesson, the review step.